Hello, I am Ichtenich and I want to show you how to add an information to an existing Wikipedia article. I chose the article about Du Steiner. This is a German chef, and I would like to add the town Baiersbronn, which is where the Schwarzwaldstube restaurant is situated, where she was trained. So I press the edit button on top of the page. I'm logged in and the editor window will open. So now I move the cursor to that point where I want to add the information. This is here. During her time at Wolfert's Schwarzwaldstube restaurant in Baiersbronn. So that's the piece of information I wanted to insert, and now I can press the Publish Changes button on top of the page, the big blue button. I need to give a short explanation of what I changed. Add name of the town, and I press the Publish Changes button. And that's it.